Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Rout, fine artist. Today we are going to learn the steps involved in copper sheet embossing work. So the first step is pitch making. The pitch is made up of three components: oil, red oxide powder and tree resin. It has to be refined and mixed together before heating up. That's a separate topic in which I can make a new video. Let me know in the comment section, be a longer one. Now the pitch is ready. You will find no lumps in it. It has to be mixed thoroughly and finally transferred carefully onto a piece of plywood with a spoon, the base of the work. Now the pitch is allowed to settle down and cool down. And here we have both brass and copper sheets. I'm going to use the copper sheet for this one. Heating up the sheet before working is a must so that it becomes soft to be embossed. At the same time, the pitch is also heated to hold on to the metal properly. Be very careful as you may burn it. So our pitch is ready and we are using a nose plier. I'm going to place my sheet over it and press it evenly everywhere. You can see that the corners of the sheets have been bent in 90 degree. In the edges also we have given a cut mark, and that small portion is also bent in 90 degree, so that those bent part easily gets inside the pitch and holds onto it, and while embossing it won't be coming out. We have to first make sure it is not having any water on it, and it should be cooled down. And if you see closely, we have overlapped the pitch on the metal also, so that it will be holding on it. And now we are going to paste the paper using any water-based glue. Once the paper is pasted on metal sheet, now I'm using carbon paper or copying paper so that I can draw in both the halves symmetrically, as this is a symmetrical piece of design I am doing. After that, I will directly start with embossing. Embossing means only etching the lines that I have drawn on the piece of paper using tools. And I'm going to show you what tools I will be using in it. Before we start with the actual etching part, we have to make sure all the lines are clear, and I'm going to do it using fine marker. And after that, one chisel shaped sharp edge tool will be used for etching part. You can see I'm using a small hammer to do the etching part because I don't want to over hammer it. I just want to bring on the lines on it so that the metal sheet gets etched, and after removing the piece of paper I will be getting a very smooth and fine line. The reason why I had recommended you to use PVA and water-based glue is that now you can see I can easily remove the piece of paper from it without I don't have to struggle on it. So now after removing it, first of all I have to clean the metal sheet. After that, by using that heating process, I have had to remove the metal sheet, and then again by turning it upside down, I place a metal sheet on the pitch piercing, and whatever embossing I am going to do will be reflected on the front side. Means I am simply pushing the copper sheet from the back side. You have to be very careful where repausing and embossing part from the back side. It will be very difficult for you to undo it, and please concentrate while embossing from the back side so that you won't face any problem. Keep a track on various tools that you can use on the markings above. Well, this is one of the most interesting part. Just you have to keep on flaming it so that all the residues burns away and it keeps on oxidizing it. And this is the finishing line which you have to hit from the front part, and you can say this is the fine tuning part. Yeah, any guess which metal polish is this? What you have to do is answer me in the comment section. After finishing the buffing part, here we are applying white silicone sealant to hold on to the wooden block. And after that, kaboom! Here is the masterpiece.